Hello and welcome back. I'd like to share with you the collagen that I use and I've noticed great benefits from it. You can use whatever collagen brand you rely on and that you trust. This is not a sponsored post, it's not a advertisement post. It's basically sharing my own experience with using this particular type of collagen. I purchased this from iHerb and it's called Collagen Up, and it's a combination of vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and marine collagen. And the way that I use it, I simply add a full scoop with the smoothie. On an empty stomach works best as well. And the vitamin C inside of this collagen, or combined with this collagen, helps to make the collagen more easily bioavailable. So if you're using collagen, make sure that it has vitamin C in it as well, whether it's a capsule or it's a powder form. Really important to combine collagen with vitamin C. Really important also, preferably, to take it with on an empty stomach. And if you can have hyaluronic acid with that